Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change your PayPal username very quick and easy on your mobile phone. By the way, open PayPal on your browser on your phone. You cannot do this on the PayPal app. This can only be done on the browser. Come here and just log in. And once you're logged in, I want you to go ahead and tap on these three horizontal lines. Okay? And then come here and click on this gear cog. And as you can see, this is my profile. Just come here and tap on change name. And they give you different options to change your name. You can change your legal name, especially after marriage or divorce example. You can update your name, basically use your full name instead of a nickname, or you can make a minor correction. Okay, basically fixing a typo, one or two characters. Now, for the first two options, you'll need to give documents to prove that. Okay, so let's say you just tap on update your name, this one. Okay, you will have to upload these kind of documents. Either a copy of your government issued ID that shows your entire face and ID number, and you'll need to give a copy of one of these documents, for example, marriage certificate, certificate of divorce, or a dead Paul. Then choose the file, upload it, and then you can change your name. They will get it done for you. So really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.